Presenting Realme Earbuds Air 6 Pro. It is available in colors titanium twilight and silver blue. The box contains ear tip, user manual and cable. These earbuds connect using Bluetooth 5.3 and has dual device connection with Google Fast Pairing. It comes with hi-fi quality dual drivers with 11mm bass driver plus 6mm microplanar tweeter. It offers 40 hours battery life and has fast charging support of 10 minutes charging for 7 hours playback. These earbuds have 6 mic noise cancellation and features 50 dB Smart Active Noise Cancellation, ANC, with 360 spatial audio effect and LDAC, HD audio. It comes with 55 ms ultra-low latency and has IP55 water resistant.